puddings, welcome back to Halloween and Pretty Scary. Subscribe if you haven't already, grab yourself a cocktail and get ready for the supervillain that needs no introduction.
Harley Quinn has made an appearance not once but twice this year in Birds of Prey starring Margot Robbie and in the amazing animated series, which if you haven't seen it you must, it's hilarious. And today I am doing the animated Harley. Now this is more of a watch and learn type of tutorial and not really one that I need to talk you through, so I'm going to leave you to listen to the amazing rock music. Great face, Charlotte. Going to interject briefly here just to say that it's quite difficult to get a white base really even, so just keep working at it and dabbing it on in fine layers. Don't go too thick because your face paint will crack, but just dab it on in thin layers and keep working at it and blending until you get a nice even white base. It will take a little bit of time though. I obviously sped up this tutorial because you didn't want to watch me painting my face white for minutes at a time, but just take your time and build it up and you will get there, I promise. In the animated series, Harley's got really big round eyes, which obviously humans don't have. So you're trying to give the illusion of this by drawing a false bottom lash line underneath your eye and just making your eyes look as round as possible. Spray just to get rid of the powder residue so that the colours on the eyes are as bright as they should be. puddings, after a few finishing touches, we are done. Let's just hope that we can pull off this heist and get Harley back into the Legion of Doom.
So peeps, this is the finished Harley Quinn look. Fingers crossed for the heist. If you enjoyed this, then don't forget to subscribe for more like this, and I shall see you next time. Bye! So the heist worked really well, so fingers crossed the Harley's back in the Legion of Doom. Yes, it worked! And get ready for the superhero